everybody. I'm Amy Hunt, Implementation Specialist with Kansas City Audiovisual. In this video, we are going to explore the Lumio by Smart dashboard. If you're not sure what Lumio is, it is a fantastic educational tool to use. It allows you to create interactive lessons where you can mix and match different file types from Google Docs and Google Slides to PowerPoints, PDFs, and even pull in Smart Notebook files. To take it one step further, you can deliver these lessons live with students from an interactive Smart panel, or you can deliver them live via a conference or in the classroom. And if you're wanting to send those out to students individually, you even have the option to share a link with them and they can complete those assignments or activities on their device on their time. So it's a really great tool and I'm excited to kind of walk you through the dashboard here. So I'm already logged in to my Lumio account and let's go ahead and just look at some different parts of the dashboard. Up at the top left, you'll see KCAV Demo. So that is my account name. Most teachers have a Mr. or Miss or Coach in front of their name, and don't worry, this can be edited if you made a typo when creating your account. Below that, you're going to see the option to create new lessons or import existing content. In the top middle, we have My Library. Those are files that either I have created or that I have taken a copy from the Lumio library. These are always going to live in my library, and if I'm signed in to my Smart Interactive Flat panel, it is actually going to sync those files to my panel so I can use them at any time. And anything that I make in the whiteboard app on my panel will also sync up to Lumio. So it's really cool how we have that file pass back and makes for some really easy integration of this product. Continuing over, we have the Lumio library. This is amazing. Here you can search through a lot of content that is made and ready to go. You even have the option to import a copy of it and edit or use right away. We'll get into that in another video. Going on over to the right, we have a little graduation cap. This is a quick way to get updates or a little bit of professional development over different parts of Lumio. You have the option to read step-by-step instructions or even watch a quick video. They are continuously updating this with new content, so I highly recommend keeping it on your radar. I'm going to close this tab and go back to Lumio. Next, we have a question mark. This question mark is going to, again, give you that link for training and resources, tell you what's new. If you want to watch the welcome video and kind of see what Lumio is all about, that's a great place to find it. And then, of course, we have support options and feedback. Underneath feedback, you're going to see that request a feature option. Please keep this in mind whenever you are working in Lumio. This is important if you are creating an assignment and you just think to yourself, wow, I really wish Lumio could do blank. Well, request that feature. A lot of Smart's improvements come from their users' suggestions, so there's a good chance you're not alone in that request and it'll come out in a future update. The next icon is my KCAV emblem. Here I'm going to see my subscription and the option to join the Smart Ambassadors group or disable Google integration. Below that, I have my class ID. That is the code that students will type in when you are delivering a live lesson and they can join and see your whiteboard or your lesson in real time. This is unique to your account. It can be reset in the edit class. Here we have reset class ID. You can also rename your class if needed, edit class banner, manage guest access, and manage immersive reader. So you have the option to make sure students sign in to a school Google or Microsoft account prior to joining your Lumio lessons. However, if you have littles, pre-K, 1, 2, they may not be ready to actually type in email addresses and things like that, so they can join as a guest, which means all they have to do is type in a name and the code. Another option we have is Manage Immersive Reader. So Lumio has a built-in immersive reader that is available for students to access when they are on their device and inside of a Lumio lesson. Okay, so that wraps it up for the dashboard. Continue on to the next video to get a deeper dive into creating and importing content for your Lumio lessons. Thanks, and have a great day.